time for our housing market update, but first, how about them Chiefs? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and when we look at the housing market for 2023, overall in Kansas City, we saw 14.9% less homes closed, and in Johnson County, 18% less. Home values did increase, and we saw an average price increase of 4.1% overall in Kansas City, with 7.2% increase in Johnson County. Now, we did have less homes for sale towards the end of the year, starting in January with a 1.4-month inventory in Kansas City and ending with a 1.8-month inventory. Remember, 1 to 3 is still a seller's market, so very much in that same time frame. Now, the question of the month is, what is happening with interest rates? Well, in January of 2023, our average interest rate was in the low 6s. By October 2023, interest rates had increased to 7.79%, the highest in 20 years. And we ended 2023 with an average interest rate of 7.2%. Today, we're still at those 7s, and we have a projection of the Fed saying they will lower the interest rate 3 times this year. It's interesting because as of January 2024, 88.5% homeowners who have mortgages have an interest rate locked in of less than 6%. So those changes this year do significantly impact the amount of inventory we may see going for sale. As always, let us know how we can assist you, your friends, or family with their real estate needs if this market matches you reaching your goal. And until we talk next, cheer for those Chiefs. Let's go.